Hello, Rancho Cordova residents and businesses. I'm Mayor David Sander. In addition to being your mayor, I'm also a virologist, which is a scientist who specializes in the study of viruses. Since my last COVID-19 update, there have been many changes throughout our county and state, including counties being able to enter a new stage of the Governor's Resilience Roadmap. What does that mean? Well, let me tell you. There are 4 stages to reopening California, and the County of Sacramento is in stage 3 as of last week. That means many businesses that were closed are now reopening in phases. Today I'm updating you from one of our reopened businesses, Brookfield's Restaurant. Learn more about the stages and which workplaces are allowed to reopen on our website at the City of Rancho Cordova. We have moved into stage 3 because following the stay-at-home orders and practicing social distancing has made a measurable difference in reducing the number of COVID-19 cases. We can't get too comfortable though. There has been a spike in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations in Sacramento County recently. The county has been doing what is called contact tracing to determine the cause of COVID-19 cases. When someone tests positive, contact tracers, sometimes referred to as disease detectives, determine where that person came into contact with the virus, and then they trace every contact who that person may have been exposed to. Contact tracing helps contain the spread of viruses like COVID-19. What the contact tracers found was that the recent spike in hospitalizations was linked to several in-home gatherings, some that were quite large. The fact is that the risk of coronavirus is still here, even though we are starting to reopen. We urge you to continue all you have been doing to stop the spread and protect the most vulnerable in our community. There are simple things you can do to help. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or use hand sanitizer. If you're looking for hand sanitizer, stop by J.J. Pfister Distilling Company or Gold River Distillery here in Rancho Cordova. Both have stepped up during this time to make hand sanitizer and support our community. If you go to the grocery store, make sure to sanitize your cart or basket before shopping. Don't touch your face, especially your nose, mouth, or eyes. Keep a social distance of at least 6 feet from others. According to the county's public health order, any gatherings with people outside of your immediate household continue to be prohibited. Stay at home when you can, especially if you are sick. That's critical.
Californians are now required to wear face coverings in public spaces, particularly indoors or when social distancing of at least 6 feet is not possible. And speaking of face coverings, there's been a lot of controversy and misinformation about them, so here are some facts. COVID-19 spreads mainly through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, sings, or talks. These droplets, which usually travel around 6 feet, could land in the mouths or noses of nearby people or even be inhaled. I know, that doesn't sound very sanitary, and unfortunately, it isn't. Cloth face coverings provide an extra layer to help prevent those droplets from traveling in the air and onto you or other people. In addition, face coverings may slow the spread of COVID-19 by those who are sick but don't yet have any symptoms.
We hope you found this information helpful in light of the state and county changes. We have resources available for residents who have questions on reopening, as well as resources for workplaces that are reopening. Visit our website at the City of Rancho Cordova for more information. Thank you and stay safe out there.